Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve problem 349 from the lead code based on Q 346. Sorry, problem number is 346, moving average from data stream. Okay, so if you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Do like, share, and comments. Okay, so here I am going to share my screen with you. Okay, that we can solve parallelly. So here I hope it is visible to you. Yes, we are going to solve this problem. Okay, so it's like paid. We can't access to. Okay, no problem. We don't have any access now. Now we can see here moving average from data stream. Okay, so here these are the inputs 1 comma 10 comma 3 and comma 5. Okay, size is 3. So q equals to empty and sum is equals to 0 and maximum length is equals to 3. Okay, so moving average from the data stream. Okay, so here initially I have value 1 from here. Okay, and q before we don't have any element in q, so it is empty. Okay, then we check, is it full? No. Okay, so we don't need to remove anything. If it is full, then we remove because we have size 3. Okay, so we can add element up to 3. Okay, sum is 0. Before we have initially we have sum equals to 0. Okay, so now q after append, so I am going to append this one in the q, so q will become like this. Okay, and sum after adding 1, so it will become 0 plus I'm going to add this one, so it will become 1. Okay, now we can calculate its average, so 1 by 1, so I got 1 here. So here I'm going to write code. Okay, okay, so somebody said that I need to zoom my screen. Okay, I hope now everything is visible to you. Okay, so here I'm going to write from collections, I'm going to import dq, and after this I'm going to define one class. Okay, so what is the class name is moving moving average, moving average. And here I'm going to define constructor, that is init, and here I'm going to pass self comma size. Okay, size should be in integer, and I want create another variable. Okay, so after putting colon here, I am going to define variable, that is q. So self dot q u e is equals to dq, and maximum length equals to max length is equals to size. Okay, and self dot sum, initially we have 0, so self dot sum is equals to 0. Okay, so these are the element input 1 10 3 5, size is 3, q is empty, sum is 0, and maximum length is 3. Okay, so after this I am going to create another function, that is next. Inside this I am going to pass self comma value colon int sorry, and here I want output in float, float, because we will going to calculate average, so it should be in float. Okay, if tq is full, it automatically remove the old as element. Okay, so here I'm going to write in comment, if tq the queue is full, it automatically remove oldest it removes it automatically removes oldest when appending. Okay, so here I am going to write one condition. Okay, if length self dot q, okay, if length of self dot q is equals to okay, is equals to with the self dot q dot maximum length. Okay, so if length of q is equals to maximum length of q, here colon, then we need to subtract our sum. So sum equals to self dot sum is equals to sum minus self dot q. Self dot q, subtract the first element, okay, from the q. Sum equals to sum minus self dot q, okay, at zero index we need to remove first element, okay, from the sum. So here after this self dot q dot append value, okay, and here sum is going to increase, so self dot sum is equals to sum plus value, and after this I need to return self dot sum divided by length self dot q. Okay guys, so here we have three or four element, okay, so first of all I need to take first element, that is 1. Okay, so initially I have empty queue, you can see here I have empty queue, okay, we don't have any element inside the queue, okay, so queue is full, no, so we need to remove no because I don't have any element inside the queue. Sum is 0, okay, here you can see I have sum equals to 0, then we need to take value equals to 1, okay, then we need to check self dot q is equals to self dot q dot maximum length, okay, so it's length of q is equals to and maximum length of q, okay, so this condition is also false. Okay, so here we just need to append by using this self dot q, I'm going to append value, that is 1. Okay, so we don't need to execute these condition because these condition going to be fail. Okay, so we just add the values, and in sum I am going to add value, so previously I have 0 in sum, so now it will become 0 plus 1, okay, value is 1 and sum is 0, so it is 1, so our sum is 1 here. Okay, then we need to calculate average. Okay, so here sum is 1 and it divided by the 1 because I added 1 only here, so its length is also 1, okay, and sum is 1, so I'm going to divide sum with 1, so 1 by 1 I got 1.0, okay, because I want output in float here, so that's why I write here 1.0, I wrote here 1.0. Now I need to take 10, okay, so I have one element in queue, that is 1, okay, so here I need to check this list, here okay, after taking 1 I'm going to take 10, okay, value equals to 10 here, okay, then we need to check if self dot q equals to q dot maximum length, okay, so this condition is again going to be fail. Okay, then we need to append 10 here, Okay, now sum will become 11. How? Now, previously I have one sum that is, and now I'm going to add 10, so it will become 11. Okay, so now I am going to calculate its average. So 11 divided by 2, because I have two element. Now I have two element, that is 1 and 10. So I got, after 1, here, after 1 I got 11. Okay, now we can check with 3. Okay, so previous element in Q, 1 and 10. Okay, so here I need to take value equals to 3. This condition is again fail because it is not a full. Okay, because we have we can take 3 element because its size is 3. Okay, maximum size is 3. Okay, so it is not full. Okay, so then we don't need to remove any element, or we don't need to subtract our sum. Okay, so self dot length of Q is equals to maximum length of Q. No. Okay, so here we don't need to execute these two line. Okay, then we need to append 3 here. Okay, and it's sum. So previously I have 11, now I am going to add 3. Okay, so I got 14 here, and here I got 14, and 14 divided by 3, because we have 3 element. Okay, so it is average 4.66. So I got 4.66 here, 4.66. Okay, now we can check with 5. Okay, so you can see here I have 5. Okay, value equals to 5, and I already have these element inside our queue. Okay, 1, 10, and 3. Okay, I already append 1, 10, 3. Okay, now I am going to take value equals to 5. Okay, so we can check if length self dot q. So what is the length? Length is 3. Okay, because we have 3 element. Okay, so here we have length is 3 and maximum size, that is also 3. Maximum length is also 3. So this condition is true. Okay, so this condition is true. This condition, then we need to remove first element from the sum. Okay, so here I am going to subtract. What is our first element? 1. So before I have sum, that is 14. Now I am going to subtract 1 from here. Okay, I'm going to remove 1. So I got 13. And element, left element is 10, 3, and I'm going to append 5 here. Okay, after removing this 1 from here, from sum, okay, so I need to append 5. So here I'm going to remove this 1, and here I'm going to append 5. Okay, and sum will be, hmm, here I got my sum, that is 13 after removing 1. Okay, and here total sum is 18. Okay, so total sum is 18. So if you are going to divide 18 by 3, so you got 6. So 6 our answer here. Okay guys, so I hope you got it. This problem very simple. Okay, now q before 10 to 1 comma 10 comma 3, and income value is 5. So auto removal by dq, remove 1 and we subtract 1 from sum. Okay, then append 5. So I got 10, 3, and 5 total. Okay guys, I hope you got it.